If I had the wings of a dove, if I had the wings of a dove, I will fly, fly away over the mountains, over the seas, where my love is waiting for me.
You're welcome. Today we're doing something so exciting. I love this sound. Honestly, I really love this sound. Why do I love this sound? I'm a second language user of English, and I know that where I come from, we have a similar sound, but it's not the same. So if you have to attain a globally acceptable standard of English pronunciation, you have to know how to produce this sound. This sound, as you can see, is a combination of two sounds. Well, when two sounds come together to form a one sound, it is called a diphthong. Well, I'm not bothered about technicality, because what we're doing here is to help you improve the quality of your spoken English, to make it simple, stupid. So the first sound we have there is Remember, we've done it in previous episodes. And then the other sound is When you put the two together, what do you have? Oh. Oh. That is this beautiful round letter. The letter O. O. Most Nigerian languages, West African languages, and even in the Far East, and even those of you watching from India or China or wherever you're watching from, you also have similar problems with your mother tongue. In most of these languages, they have the sound O, 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 which is different from the typical British O. O. Let's take a few word examples. Look at this. H-O-M-E. Home. 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 And look at this. A two-letter word. G-O. Go. Go. Go home. And look at this. That's someone's name. J-O-E. Joe. Joe. Go home, Joe. Joe is going home. Like I said, the sound is so important. Look at that. S-O. So. N-O. No. No. So if you are a second language user like me with a traditional O sound, then you can work on this and blend the two sounds together, the and the U. And when you perfectly put the two together, you have a wonderful O sound. Thanks so much for watching. Please keep liking and sharing our videos if you're a second language user of English. But if you're a first language user of English, perhaps you'll be saying, what is he talking about? Everyone can speak English. No, my brother. It's not so easy for everyone to speak English. If you were born with the language, it's so easy for you because you're a first language user. But if you're not, it is really tough to learn a second language. So please do not forget, if you're a second language user of English, and join this channel to share our videos, and most importantly, click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
Over the mountains, over the seas, where my love is waiting for me.